Hi guys, I hope you're all well. So my name is Hannah and I'm a Look Fantastic ambassador. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how I create a really easy summer makeup look. This is the kind of makeup look that you could do in a hurry because it's really easy and quick to do. It's also a makeup look that you could wear in warmer climates, so whether you're on holiday or if you're over here in the UK during summer, it is the perfect everyday makeup look. All of the products that I have used in this video will be available on Look Fantastic, and all of the links to the products will be available in the description box. Before applying makeup, I really like to go in with a good hydrating primer, and in this case I'm using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, and this is amazing. It really helps to make my makeup apply seamlessly and very smooth. I'm going to take the Benefit Professional Face Primer and I'm going to focus this on my T-zone. This is a great primer for blurring out pores and any bumps on the skin. I have a little bit of discoloration around my skin, so I'm taking the Smashbox Colour Correcting Stick in orange and I'm just going to try to neutralise those areas. So I'm applying this around my mouth and under my eyes, just basically anywhere where there is a little darker patch. And I'm just going to lightly blend it in, but not completely. I'm then taking the NARS Radiant Tinted Moisturiser. I have the colour St. Moritz, and I know it looks a little bit lighter, but it blends into the skin really well. This is a perfect base to wear, especially if you're used to wearing foundations, but in summer it can feel a little bit heavy, so this is a really good alternative because it's so lightweight, your skin can still breathe through the makeup, and it looks really glowy and natural. I use a makeup sponge to blend this in, but you can also use your fingers and it'll give a really nice skin-like finish. To conceal areas of darkness, I'm then taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I have the colour Ginger and I'm applying this under my eye in a slight triangle shape. I'm then also going to create a line from the corner of my eye going up. This is basically just going to help to lift the eyes and make it look a lot brighter. I'm then trying to keep that concealer in place while blending it in with my makeup sponge. This is a great trick if you want to help brighten and just help to look more awake. My favourite bronzer is the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Powder in the colour Medium. This is the perfect just got back from holiday glow, and I like to apply this on my cheekbones, on my temple, my jawline. I use this as both a sculptor and also to add a bit of colour and a bit of definition. I'm keeping the cheeks natural and I'm going for Laura Mercier Blush Colour Infusion in Fresco, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in 4.5. And I try to follow the natural shape of my brows and just fill in those sparser areas, and I make sure that I keep brushing it with the spoolie end to help blend everything together and make it look more natural. The By Terry Cream eyeshadow pen in Sunny Flash is my go-to at the moment because you can just apply it in one stroke and you're good to go. It doesn't really require much effort and you really can't go wrong. It's definitely really fail proof. This colour in particular is absolutely beautiful. It's also buildable, so you can make it look more dramatic if you wanted to, but I'm going for quite a light colour and I'm going to create quite a sunset looking eye. So I'm taking the NARS Cosmetics Skin Deep Eye Palette and I'm going for the warmer brown colour and just applying this to my crease. This will not only define my eyes, but it will just act as a really nice blending colour, so everything looks seamless. But I really love the finish, and this eyeshadow palette is one of my go-tos as well because it has every single colour that you need. As it's more for an everyday look, I am just going to be taking a brown eye pencil. This is the Urban Decay Glide On Eye Pencil in Whiskey, and I'm applying this on my waterline and along my lash line. You can see it's quite a subtle colour, so it blends in so beautifully with the other tones of the eye makeup look. I make sure to wing out the outer corner because it helps to lift my eyes, and I really like that V-line look. And I'm also going to be lining this all the way to the inner corner. And then I'm curling my eyelashes and applying my favourite mascara, which is the L'Oreal Paris Paradise Mascara. This is an amazing mascara if you want both volume and definition. It really lasts a long time as well. I feel like you really get good value for money with this mascara. I know it's not everyone's thing, but I love to apply mascara on my lower lashes because it really helps to give that smoky look to my eyes. keep in line with the whole neutral makeup, I am going for MAC lip pencil in Spice, and I'm going to both outline and fill in my lips using this. This will help to define the lips, and if you want you can also slightly overline so you look like you have fuller lips. I'm going in with the Estee Lauder Paint on Liquid Lip in Bronze Leaf, and this does not budge all day, it's amazing. And just to set my skin, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder and just applying it on my T-zone, so any areas where I tend to get a little bit oily. And that is the makeup look complete. I really like this for every day. I feel like it's the perfect kind of subtle glam makeup look that's still quite natural and laid back. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Look Fantastic channel if you want to see more beauty videos, and I'll see you guys soon.